world.
Oh my god, I'm done.
I think it's funny because he listens to white girl music and he was
16.
like,
ln of 15x.
Hey, by the way, he's gonna be in this class next.
All right, these say to expand the expression. Okay, so that means that we're taking, right now it's the log of things being multiplied. So the log of the product is equal to the sum of the logs. So I'm going to split this. When it says expand, that means it's going to get bigger. So that's the ln of 15 plus the ln of x. Notice when we expand the log, okay, obviously this one's the natural log, but it's getting written multiple times. When we condense and we go the other way, because that's what we're going to be doing, that's the next thing we're going to be doing, you go to one time that it's written. Okay. 18. Log base 5 of x to the 5th. So this one has a power, so we're going to throw it out front. So we have 5 times the log base 5 of x.
Okay. I don't even.
why are you laughing?
Because she said it like, I don't know, her voice is so weird.
Okay. Because I don't know what's happening.
We're expanding.
I don't even know how to expand.
It's using the properties.
Yeah.
20.
I
ln of 12 divided by 5.
Maddie?
So this one is a quotient. The log of a quotient is equal to the difference of logs. So I'm going to split this to be the ln of 12. It's always top minus bottom. So ln of 12 minus the ln of 5.
Oh.
You understand it?
I understand now.
Wait, since it's like a fraction, why is it not dividing?
It is.
Oh.
It is.
Property.
The log of a quotient
Oh my- I
is
just
equal to the
said
difference
right.
of the
The
logs.
catchphrase.
Anthony?
that she just threw at me.
Actually, no, I agree.
22.
Anthony just always like
ln of 4x squared y. So this one has obviously more to it. The last ones have all just been like one step, but everything that's being multiplied is going to be a separate sum. So this is going to become the ln of 4 plus the ln of x squared plus the ln of y. Now, I'm still not done. This x is being squared. Now, if you can do all of this in one step, you are allowed to do this. I'm just doing it this way so we see it. The squared part, though, only goes in front of the term that has the x with it. So that's the other reason to wait. So this is ln of 4 plus, throw it out front, 2 ln of x plus ln of y.
I feel like I'm not going to be able to read this. Looks like 21.
That's why I do a cursive L. So it's harder to tell if it's like, I don't know.
Alright. How do you even see behind me?
28.
21.
ln of 6x squared over y to the 4th.
Oh, I just drew an H.
All right, so this one, a lot of times if there is a quotient, then I do the quotient part first. As you get better at these, if you can do, I could do this whole thing in one step and be done. If you get confident and you feel like you can do that, you don't have to do it in steps, but I'm going to do it in steps for right now. So I'm going to have the ln of 6x squared
We're doing all of that.
minus the ln of y to the 4th. So I've taken care of the quotient part.
So 2L in.
So now this is, yep, the ln of 6 and then it's the ln of x squared. If you want to go ahead and put the 2 in front of the ln of x, you can, but the 2 doesn't go in front of the ln of 6. It only goes in front of the part with the x. So this is going to become the ln of 6 plus, put the 2 out front, 2 ln of x minus, now this is y to the 4th, so we're going to throw the 4 out front. So 4 ln y.
Right.
My leg itches.
Itching.
Some actually, some. No. Some old man did that on my way.
He had a thumper?
There was this lady, like, her name's Stella. She's like some old lady, and she comes around and she like scratches everyone's back, and she scratched his back, and he started going. I was like, wow, you were in your 60s. That was
He's just a
amazing.
funny guy.
All right, log base 3 of the square root of 9x.
I don't like this.
Wow.
Oh, it's not easy. Like,
Suddenly I'm lost.
Everything else was there. This was easy.
Okay, John. I said like everything else. You always say, "Oh, this is pretty easy."
No, that's everything else.
All right, a couple different ways that I could do this. You could go ahead and say, well, I know that the square root of 9 is 3, and so you could end up with 3 and then the square root of x. For the sake of these problems, because all they're doing is expanding, they actually leave it, and they rewrite this as a fraction exponent.
Ew.
One.
So log base 3 of 9x to the 1/2, like that. Then they take the power and they throw it out front. So we have then log base 3 of 9x. And then now I can split this. When I split this, I have to do this as 1/2 times log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of x. Now, they will stop here, and that's fine. But with what we learned yesterday, we could rewrite 9 as 3 squared, which we would have taken care of if we had done it the other way to begin with. So this was 3 squared. Then we would take, hold on, let me use, log base 3 of 3 squared is equal to what? 2. So then our answer would become 1/2 times 2 plus log base 3 of x. The reason they stop at the answer that's boxed is because it just tells us to expand. It doesn't tell us to like expand and simplify.
If we do it that far on the thing, do we get in trouble?
No. So either way is fine. But I just wanted you to see why, if you happen to recognize what we did yesterday, that you would go all the way down, but the answer is going to look like this in the book. All right, questions on expanding? All right, then condensing. So this means we're going from the bigger thing to the smaller thing.
What, condensed? No.
Why is somebody just gonna say that?
Aiden Burgess.
Can you like drink condensed milk like plain?
Sweet and condensed milk, it's just really sweet. It's like
Or if it's not
sweet cream.
What if it's
If
sour?
it's not sweetened.
Then it's probably gone rancid.
Yuck.
I wouldn't. What'd you just say?
Rancid?
Rancid?
Ew. I'm sorry. I've never heard someone just casually say that in a sentence.
You know what happens when they talk about milk?
ln of 12 minus the ln of 4.
Because I was like, oh, I'll just like leave it out.
I just
But it was only
spoiled
out for
milk.
like 2 hours, and it tasted so bad after. I was like, what is wrong with
Yeah,
this?
that's like
I suspect
warm
that might have
milk.
already been bad.
What?
It was so gross. How did you drink
What?
that?
Okay, we're working the opposite way now. So this is a difference of logs. That means that it needs to become the log of a quotient. When we do it, it's always top minus bottom. So this is going to become the ln of 12 over 4. Now, once you do that, then you should simplify if it's a fraction that can be reduced.
So 3.
So
So
ln
we
of
won't
3.
be in trouble if we. Okay. I always reduce
That's
and
good.
then get belt for reducing. Like, I get problems wrong for reducing when I'm not supposed to. Not the whole problem. Yeah, just never mind. Keep going.
It's like
with
if
what
you
you're doing.
reduce, I shouldn't be taking off points for that.
It was like in the beginning of the year.
All right, 38. 5 times log base 4 of 2 plus 7 log base 4 of x plus 4 log base 4
What?
of y.
Oh, this is a lot different than the problem above.
Did the blah.
Not really.
It's just like a lot longer.
So the first thing is anytime there's something in front, I'm going to go ahead and raise it to that power.
Yes.
So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 4 of 2 to the 5th plus log base 4 of x to the 7th plus log base 4 of y to the 4th. Now, when I rewrite this, I'm going to actually raise 2 to the 5th power and write it as that number. So these are all the sum of logs. That means it's equal to the log of a product. So we're going to write log base 4 one time. 2 to the 5th is 32. And then x to the 7th, y to the 4th.
That was easy.
Oh.
Yeah, see, it was easy. But am I gonna get through my test?
Yes.
You're not gonna know what to do.
I believe in you. You got it.
Two thumbs
I'm gonna
up.
look at it like
Oh.
up to
2 thumbs up.
40. Yes.
Log base 5 of 4 plus 1/3 log base 5 of x.
So it's a cube.
Yes, it is.
Yep, so I'm going to move this up here. You can either leave it as x to the 1/3 or write it as the cube root of x. I don't care. Either way is fine. So then what would it simplify to when we condense it?
1, 5, 4, x, 1/3. I guess.
Yep. Or, like we said, log base 5 of 4 and then the cube root of x, like that. Either way is fine. All right, change of base.
Oh, a new one.
Cooper's already a pro at this.
Yeah,
All right, these just say use the change of base formula to evaluate the logarithm. I'm going to show you that we can use common log or natural log and get the same answer when we do these. I'm just going to do a couple of them. 46 log base 5 of 13. So, again, obviously, everybody but Cooper can type this in as log base 5 of 13. But for you to actually get credit on the quiz or the test, you have to rewrite this as log of 13 over log of 5.
But we don't have to put in our calculator with that, or do we?
You should, I mean, it'll give you the same answer either way, but you have to show me this step. All right, now just to prove to you that no matter what I use, it's going to give me the same thing, do the ln of 13 over the ln of 5. So this would be if I changed the base to log base e.
Same exact.
Yep. And if any of you typed it in as log base, you'd get the same value as well.
Wait, like, how does that work?
What do you mean? Like, why are they the same? Because we're just changing the base so that it's something we can deal with.
Let's see.
Okay.
I don't really know. It's just a formula that somebody came up with that works. I could change this to log base 3 of 13 over log base 3 of 5, and I would also get the same thing. I just would never do that unless it told me I had to change it to a certain base, because that's just excessive. Because then you could have a change of base and a change of base if you're Cooper and can't type in log base things.
Hi, guys. Next.
Hi.
56. Log base 8 of 32. Not that very close. So this would be log of 32 over log of 8.
.67.
Questions about those? Feel okay?
Man, that's pretty
Doing
good.
great.
Cool.
Especially on these.
Now we gotta go around.
No.
No.
Stop.
You're not graphing logs.
No.
When do we
What?
graph?
What?
Pre-calculus.
All right, 15 through 41, every other odd, and then 49 and 55.
You what?
Don't ask this
15,
paper.
19.
Yeah.
I only had like 3 pages.
I just stole like 10 from his patent.